Since 2023, Nvidia has been the top choice for investors looking to capitalize on artificial intelligence. Its growth has been nothing short of remarkable, and its latest earnings report was no exception. Yet, despite strong financial performance, Wall Street seems to be losing interest. Much like a sports team that dominates for years but eventually faces skepticism, Nvidia appears to have fallen out of the market's spotlight. The company delivered outstanding results for its fourth quarter of fiscal year 2025, which ended on January 26th. However, instead of celebrating, investors reacted by selling off shares. So is this a great time to buy? Here are 3 reasons why Nvidia remains a strong investment opportunity. Before we begin, this video is not an investment advice and must do your own diligence. However, with my experience investing for years, the content from this video has a solid research foundation. Check our Patreon on the description below for an inside members-only access on what are the best buys now. We will also update you on what to sell for gains or to avoid losses. Subscribe to our channel so you will never miss out. Nvidia's graphics processing units, GPUs, have been at the core of the AI revolution. These chips are designed for parallel computing, making them ideal for training artificial intelligence models. Up until now, most AI advancements have relied on Nvidia's Hopper architecture, but that is changing with the introduction of Blackwell, its latest GPU design. Blackwell offers significant improvements over its predecessor. It delivers 4 times faster AI training performance and AI inference, where an AI model processes inputs to generate an output, is now 20 times more cost-efficient compared to the Hopper H100 GPU. This new generation of chips will drive the next phase of AI innovation, making Nvidia even more valuable in the industry. Blackwell chips contributed $11 billion to Nvidia's $35.6 billion in data center revenue, but production is still ramping up. This transition led to the one concern investors focused on: falling gross margins. In the fourth quarter, margins dropped from the mid to high 70% range to 73%. This trend may continue in the first quarter, but is expected to recover by the end of the year as production efficiency improves. The key takeaway: these margins will bounce back. Nvidia is prioritizing its customers by rolling out Blackwell chips as quickly as possible. While short-term profitability may be impacted, this expansion will ultimately drive long-term revenue growth. No company of Nvidia's size has managed to sustain such rapid growth. In the fourth quarter, revenue increased 78% year over year and 12% from the previous quarter. Looking ahead to the first quarter, management projects revenue of $43 billion, representing a 65% annual increase and a 9% sequential gain. Notably, Nvidia has a history of providing conservative guidance and then surpassing expectations. This suggests actual revenue may exceed these projections. For the current fiscal year and the next, analysts predict 57% revenue growth followed by 22% growth, figures that outpace most other major tech companies. The AI market and other industries Nvidia serves still have plenty of expansion ahead. The company's growth story is far from over, making this another strong reason to invest. Nvidia's stock is starting to look like a bargain. Historically seen as pricey, it now trades at 43 times trailing earnings and 28 times forward earnings, all while delivering impressive growth. When you stack it against other tech giants, Nvidia's valuation is surprisingly competitive. Sure, some investors might hesitate at the price, but let's be real. Why put your money into other tech companies when Nvidia is at the forefront of AI? This is the biggest tech breakthrough since the internet, and Nvidia is poised to lead the charge. With its recent dip in share price after earnings, this could be the perfect moment for savvy investors to jump in. Nvidia isn't just a stock, it's a ticket to the future of technology. Give us a like if you like our video, subscribe, and ring the bell to never miss out. Check our Patreon for an inside look on what are the best buy and sell stocks every week.